Okay, what's up guys and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be recording the new Gorbox update. It's super cool and this is for real the next gen update. Oh look. Okay, anyway, I forgot to tell you guys that I've got a new tablet, a new iPad that I can finally play on Gorbox and everything. It's like it's like a computer, you know. Okay, so I'm not turning into an iPad kit or something of. I just bought it for my eyes because I have an eye strain of playing games. Okay, so I downloaded Gorbox. I can do whatever I want. I can like spawn NPCs. Yeah, super cool, right?
Nice to see you.
I like the first fist is just make them go flying. Yeah, like this. It's super cool anyway. Yeah, so okay, I actually have to. So this is since this is a Chinese iPad, it's nothing like the Android. Okay, this is Huawei. Though they say that this is Android, but it's Huawei. But at least no more lag. Yeah, you know, no more lag. It's Android 3. I don't know how, and it's still lagging when I record on high graphics. Yeah, it's pretty normal. I love the update. Yeah, and I have to tell you, I'm back. I'm back with everything new. Oh my gosh, what is this? What is this? Oh my, this is super cool. Yeah, I like the shotgun reloading animation. Oh yeah, that's so nice. I put someone here and then like first curse him. Yeah, I'm going to first curse you, bro. Boom. They're super cool and they edited the new map. I'm sorry, I'm running on low graphics because the recording is lagging when I run on low graphics, but I can finally play on high graphics without lagging. This is super cool, like for real, bro. I figure I'm going to do more videos, infinite videos, everything. Just only if this iPad just keeps going with me without breaking or anything happening to it. It's super cool. Like I'm so happy that I got it. Corrupt officer. They also edited the new models of people. Yeah, there's the low rider car. I love this car so much. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's like from Fast and Furious. I really don't know what is its benefit or what does it do exactly. Yeah. Oh my gosh. What is this? Yeah, realistic suspension, right? Oh my god, the developers had to work so hard to make this, right? I wanna see the suspension. Suspicion. I don't know the. Yeah, cool. Yeah, come on. Can I drift? Yeah, I can't. Okay, 3, 2. I've got a freaking nice idea. Um, how about I put like an NPC here? Put some. And I tried the new. Oh, okay. Can I drop this? Oh no. Well, alright. Say bye bye to your leg. Anyway, I don't need this. Shut up. Shut up. Oh, fuck. Can you shut up? Oh my gosh, super cool. Let me just stick right there. Nice. Oh my gosh, killed. Yeah, you're alright there, buddy. The low graphics, like for real, the low graphics are hitting right there. The low graphics and there is a glory. This car is not going to explode. The low graphic and the gore, the blood, the low graphics actually makes the blood more concerned. Like this is super gory. Okay, so it makes it more super gore. So yeah, it didn't. The car didn't blow up from the explosion of this thing. Oh fuck! Ah, the car didn't blow up from the explosion, but the car just got doobally doo doo doobally doo from this punch. I don't know. I don't know what kind of أحلام القصر. What kind of us dreams is this? Here we go. The car is not moving. Yeah. This car needs to be destroyed and disappeared forever. Yo, they added the back thing. Oh, this is super nice. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye. Go away from me sight. Ah! Oh, you was about to throw me? Yeah, so actually the GDiv or Gabzer actually paid super close attention in cars, and especially the suspension and everything like that goes nobody no. Okay, so this is it for today, guys. I'm going to upload more later and today or tomorrow. Bye bye.